Okay, so in this first tutorial, I'm just going to explain how to set up the page, the index page, the home page for the Hotbeans website, and some of the styles that I'm going to use, some of the content and how we lay out different areas, the screen for different types of content, and also finishing with how we make the web page responsive so that if it's viewed on a desktop or laptop, it looks and is presented fit for purpose, but on those smaller screens and more a portrait orientation on mobile devices and tablets, the content changes and moves position so that it's also fit for purpose for those devices. So just to begin with, just getting into the site, so log into your Python Anywhere account, and you'll see on the site page you've got your Hotbeans app. If you click on Manage and Edit, that takes you into that. And it will load this screen, the Edit Application screen. And we're going to be using mainly an index page. So there is already an index page. Now when you go in there, if you've not done any work on the index page so far, you can get rid of what's in there. If you have, you might want to revise what we're doing now, just in light of this tutorial. So I'll show you what I've got set up so far. Information in the head. So we've got a link to a little favicon icon, and I'll explain more about that later. We have the title, which I've called Welcome to the Hotbeans Recruitment Microsite. We've got some meta information, which we'll talk more about later. But then crucially, we've got this link. So this is certainly a line of code that you will want in your head, and it points the page to the style sheet. The style sheet is what influences how things look, and it's vital in terms of positioning and certainly responsive design. So then down in the body, I've got just 5 classes that I want to talk about in a little bit more detail. So the other sheet that you need is your CSS style sheet. Now you have all made one, okay? So I don't need to show you how to do that, but I call mine Hotbeans Styles. And if I open that up, you may see some familiar things, the body and the header. Certainly you won't have any of the other classes. So if you can get both files open, please, in the same page in the development environment like this, so you can toggle between the two and then start the next video.